Hello stock stalkers, happy weekend and welcome back to the channel. Last week there was a news QMM, a market maker, will now provide liquidity to Presight. I'm on the weekly chart as of now. Let's have a look here what happened exactly right from the beginning. Presight got listed with this green candle. Opening was at 3.00, low was still about 2.80 and high was at 3.70 on the same week. Now from here the low, it made a high till about 3.86. It came back for a correction till about 3.20 and from here again it tried to go up. Unfortunately we did not see a new high. In fact it only touched 3.45 area and we are seeing a strong selling pressure till about 2.88. Last weekly candle is also not very good, although it's green in color, but for now it's looking negative. If I go down to daily chart, here we can see a gap up opening when they released the news. This was the closing before the news at 2.96 and then very next day it opened at 3.01. This gap up was due to the news and we saw some crazy volumes here, but then it could not sustain the gains and we are seeing it came down to fill up the gap. So this gap has already been filled right here, and if I extend it, so this was the gap that it created. Let me mark this zone also, and I had updated this one with a short video. Just in case if you have missed that, I will provide an iCard right at the top so that you can watch that video. And now what we are seeing is it has come right at the place where this candle closed, that is at 2.96 area, before the news hit the market. Well, for now I want to see a nice bullish price action. Let me delete everything, and from here let me mark this area, that is 2.96. If I happen to see a buying pressure again into this zone right here, then I would consider Presight is now ready for a buy. I want to see green candle with good volumes obviously, and at the same time there is a strong resistance area. So let's highlight this. Once it goes up, then we can expect slowly and steadily to go higher. 3.20 area is a tough nut, mind you. Anytime it comes into this zone we will see some kind of reaction. For now, anybody planning for an entry, hold your horses, because there is no surety yet that it can go upside from here. Well, there are good chances it can even come lower to retest 2.90 area, or it can even go lower from here. So there is no need to rush. Let's wait for a proper bullish price action to take any decision. So need of the hour is to wait and watch what Presight is doing right into this zone, that is at 2.96 area. Overall, this stock is still in a downtrend. As we know, it can be only converted into a bullish scenario once we see a close above 3.05 area. That's when we will see a bullish price action. For now, if you are planning for an early bird entry, you may go with the plan as I just explained in order to be safe and secure. You may enter with some small quantities here, but only after we see our setup, and then let your profits run. So guys, if you like this plan and if you understood, smash that like button for me. For more updates, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.